Okay. We're talking about config templates. Config templates, they either are on a user menu, so they are user menu that are system level. We talked about project menu, means what do I see under a project? Okay. What do I see under a document? Now we're going to talk about standard items. Standard items are also parents. They have types. They need to have a template UID. So we need to link that type to a template. We need to design something called standard item templates. And under standard item templates, let's say we have a standard item called vendors. We decide we want to call a template called vendor C. Why? Because the type is vendor. If all our vendors, we're going to talk about all our vendors the same, we just need one type and all of them on template. If we have different types, we can have different types but all linked to the same template, or it depends how you want. Maybe here we have international vendors and local vendors, and here you need to collect different information if a vendor is an international vendor than if it is a local vendor. If it is a local vendor, you need to collect his tax code, you need to collect a lot of stuff about him. But maybe an international vendor, you don't need to collect all the stuff. Maybe you need to collect other stuff about him. Okay? That's why you might have different config templates for each vendor. You see what we're talking about? It's very simple. A parent needs a template to expand on. Sometimes you decide that, you know what, I don't want any template to expand on. I don't want to give him the expand, even if it's a standard item. I don't want to give him an expand. What do? You go to the template objects and you have it empty. There is no objects. When there is no objects inside this template, there is a template, but that template is empty. Okay? I suggest you call this template empty C. I suggest you should have a template called empty C, where when you are configuring something initially, then later you can change that. You would use that template empty C, so because the system to create a row needs a template and you have not decided what are the children inside it to be right now, what you do, you use the empty C template and assign that, link it to that type. Then later, once you design a type for that vendor, for vendors, okay, you go and remove not link it to the empty template, link the vendor type to a vendor template, vendor C template. Okay, thank you.